Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Our property viewing today is in none other than the sunny and beautiful Bahamas. Located in Port New Providence, Nassau, the capital of the Bahamas, this beautiful and luxurious waterfront estate rests upon 7,500 square feet of interior living space. This home also features a 160-foot dock with room for expansion into the 256 feet of beautiful water frontage for this home. And the dock comes with an amazing 20,000-pound boat lift with 50 and 30 amp power water hookups to ensure that you and your water luxuries are well taken care of. This home's interior comes with 7 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 2 partial bathrooms as well. This estate is also located in a 24-hour gated community, coming with luxurious spas and beautiful pool areas for extra waterborne fun. Now, let's take a dive into this house. The living room area of this home is built with a blend of the Caribbean lifestyle and modern luxury, along with being extraordinarily spacious, making this area perfect for large gatherings of family and friends. The kitchen is also well equipped to accommodate large groups of friends and family without any compromise for architectural modern beauty. The master bedroom comes with an in-room bathtub with jacuzzi jets and a large and spacious closet to accommodate an extensive wardrobe as well. The backyard comprises of an excellent, fully equipped gym with some of the latest and best gear for peak fitness, along with a relaxing outdoor patio area right next to your beautiful jacuzzi and pool areas as well. Now, let's continue to explore this beautiful home together.
I'm saying.
The asking price for this property is 6,950,000 USD. 1,117,672,590 JMD. 9,753,283 Canadian dollars. 6,005,426 euros. And 5,211,423 British pounds. Thank you all for watching until the end, and we hope to see you again next time here on PropertyCozy.com.
All I'm saying.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we welcome you to Villa Tatutina, a beautiful and luxurious waterfront estate in the Bahamas in Marsh Harbor, Abaco. This villa comes with a total of 10 bedrooms, 9 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. This spectacular estate rests within a gated community upon a beautiful 1.25 acres of land, including the main building built with an open floor plan concept, a beautiful and fully equipped kitchen, the master bedroom coming with a luxurious sunken floor bathtub and steam shower, along with immediate access to the beautiful swimming pool in the back. The Gathering House, built for parties or entertainment hosting of all sizes, comes with its own 1,500 square feet of open floor dining and entertainment. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows, seating for 21 guests, and a rooftop sun deck with a wraparound porch for panoramic views of the ocean. This gathering house also comes with a chef's kitchen and private office to ensure that the provider for your entertainment has everything they need to succeed at making your party the best your guests have ever had. This property also comes with 5 private villa homes with fully equipped kitchens, private patios, one villa with an eccentric outdoor shower, and 1 and 2 bedroom layouts for each of the villas for the best guest accommodations. Other features of this property include a newly constructed and professionally made 152-foot dock, fish cleaning stations, bait prep areas, a 24,000-pound boat lift, a 60 kilowatt backup generator, and a 30,000-pound water cistern, along with direct access to the world renowned fishing grounds of the Abacos in the Bahamas. In addition to being a truly amazing property, Villa Tatutina is also close to international marinas, the Nassau International Airport, as well as prime fishing areas around it, like the Elbow Cay, Man o' War Cay, and Great Guyana Cay. Whether you're buying for a luxurious home in a perfect oceanfront paradise, or looking for a truly impressive investment, Villa Tatutina has got you covered. The asking price for Villa Tatuina is 6,900,000 USD. JMD $1,110,089,940. Canadian $9,691,430. Euro $5,945,178. British pounds $5,183,021. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you again here next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we welcome you to Sundara, a beautiful home nestled within the luxurious area of Ocean Club Estates in Nassau's Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Sitting on 1.1 acres of exterior land, but an impressive 19,508 square feet of interior living space, making the total of the two lots that Sundara rests upon come to a total of 48,044 square feet. This estate is quite a sight to behold. Some of the signature features of this home include a 236-foot deep canal frontage with 2 private docks, a private underground marine fuel line, gated 24-hour security, a 200-kilowatt generator, CCTV security cameras, a 2.5-car garage, a gatehouse cottage with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and a separate captain's quarters suite. The layout of Sundara includes a formal and informal dining room, a billiards room for games, nearby to the media room for movie nights, and a library with custom-made millwork. Sundara also includes an expansive 49-foot pool in the pool pavilion area, surrounded by beautiful garden terraces, including a jacuzzi, outdoor bar, multiple lounging areas, and a kitchen to make sure your relaxation never stops. Other exclusive features of Sundara include optional membership access to the world-renowned Four Seasons Ocean Club of the Bahamas, and special access to the nearby Atlantis Resort, coming with more VIP access to beautiful luxury spa houses, golf clubs, and beach club facilities nearby, to to ensure that you live in the lap of luxury always. Now, let's go on a journey and continue to explore Sundara. asking price for this home is USD 18,200,000. In Jamaican dollars, $2,910,631,360. In Bahamian dollars, $18,167,413. Canadian dollars, $25,562,901. Euros, $15,626,520. In British pounds, $13,581,113. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Our property viewing today is the magnificent and luxurious estate, Villa Amour. Located within the prestigious area of the Ocean Club Estates on the Bahamas' Paradise Island, Villa Amour offers an experience of peace, relaxation, and luxury. Villa Amour's interior consists of an expansive 11,321 square feet, holding 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 3 half-bathroom shower areas. Villa Amour also rests upon a comfortable 0.58 acres of exterior land to enjoy. Signature features of Villa Amour include a grand entry 24-foot ceiling, a ground floor VIP suite with beautiful porcelain fixtures, a second floor family room with a balcony offering panoramic views, and a freestanding porcelain bathtub located in the master suite. Some additional features of Villa Amour include a beautiful and expansive pool with a jacuzzi located nearby, along with underground irrigation and landscape lighting to enhance Villa Amour's beauty and prestige even further. Some other important features include hurricane-ready impact doors and windows, along with a standby generator to ensure you stay safe and comfortable in case of emergencies. Now, let's take a closer look and truly explore Villa Amour. selling price for Villa Amor in US dollars is $8,295,000. Jamaican dollars, $1,333,448,624. Bahamian dollars, $8,297,024. Canadian, $11,637,450. Euros, $7,110,163. And British pounds, $6,182,501. Thank you for watching until the end, and we will see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today's property is in the beautiful and prestigious Earls Court Estates, located in Kingston 8 in St. Andrews, Jamaica. Offering over 19,000 square feet of living space, this property boasts elegance and grandeur. Coming with 2 separate kitchens for the butler area and for the gourmet area, 2 dining areas for casual dining and 1 for formal dinners, a grand living room with sunken couch seating for ultimate relaxation, 2 master bedroom suites, each with a panoramic private balcony, an elevator, and numerous other luxurious features for this amazing property. Some of the special features of this property include an on-site tennis court, resort-style swimming pool, a gym with world-class exercise equipment, a private sauna, a standby generator, an elegantly made 4-car garage, a backup server room for emergency power, and a cozy guest cottage for visitors as well. This property is more than just a home. It's a fully prepared masterpiece. Now, let's take a closer look and explore this grand estate. The selling price for this property is, in USD, $7,500,000. Jamaican dollars, $1,208,846,250. In Canadian, $10,516,875. In euros, 6,432,000. British pounds, 5,585,760 British pounds. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we will be touring one of the most beautiful and extraordinary homes in all of the Bahamas. Welcome to The Lookout. Completed in the year of 2021, The Lookout spans across 3.6 acres of calming, palm-filled land with personal, pristine white sandy beaches offering beautiful views of the ocean. With the architectural design of this modern Caribbean masterpiece, it glows with an aura of luxury, serenity, but most importantly, with beauty. The main residence features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, along with an exclusive master suite with a private rooftop terrace and garden. The guest cottage nearby is spacious and crafted with the same beauty and prestige as the main residence, and located seaside near the private dock area. Some of the luxuries of The Lookout include a beautiful sparkling resort-style pool and a multi-use outdoor tennis court area. The Lookout has more than enough to make anyone feel and enjoy living in the lap of luxury. Now, let's take a closer look and explore The Lookout. price for this home is in USD $25 million. Jamaican dollars, $4,027,950,000. Bahamian dollars, $24,999,358. Canadian, $35,086,242. Euros, $21,471,125. And British pounds, $18,642,875. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we will be viewing a masterpiece nestled in St. Brandsburg, Jamaica. Welcome to Casa del Pam. This stunning 14,000 square foot home has the ability to entertain and provide every guest with comfort, peace, and serenity. Possessing 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a beautiful sparkling pool, and soaring ceilings with shining skylights, this masterpiece is truly a luxurious dream. Casa del Pam also rests upon 1.47 acres of land, providing you with not only architectural beauty, but natural beauty as well. The main living areas are elegantly designed around a peaceful koi fish pond, promoting peace and prosperity. The formal dining room areas accommodate 10 guests, providing the ability to host entertainment gatherings or for large events. The wraparound terrace around the home gives surrounding views of the sparkling pool, lush green gardens, and of the beautiful Caribbean Ocean. Perfect for unwinding and giving you a moment to rest and relax. The master suite is designed elegantly, offering 2 luxurious bathrooms and peaceful architecture, allowing you to fully rest, relax, and enjoy your beautiful home. Now, without further ado, let's explore Casa del Pam.
All I'm saying.
The asking price for this home is in USD $2,350,000. In Jamaican dollars, $377,726,545. In Canadian, $3,294,754. Euros, $2,025,771. And in British pounds, $1,757,777 British pounds. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.
All I'm saying.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Our property viewing today will be of the beautiful and spectacular Tradewinds. Tradewinds is a wonderful resort-style-like home possessing 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Nestled in the cozy area of Montego Bay, Jamaica, this home rests upon just over 1 full acre of freestanding natural land. The main building holds 3 bedrooms, with each possessing their own bathroom. The main residence also comes with a large terrace on the upper floor area, and in turn complementing the open floor plan of the lower level, making this home perfect for entertaining. The detached poolside cottage holds 2 spacious bedrooms, each with their own bathroom, and a complimentary outdoor shower area, which flows and connects almost seamlessly with the beautiful Infinity Edge swimming pool. The pool is located directly next to the bar area and yoga deck near the garden. Tradewinds is also located within walking distance of excellent restaurants and the amazing Half Moon Golf Club, as well as being only a 10-minute drive away from Sangster International Airport. Now, without further ado, let's take a closer look and explore the beauty of Tradewinds. The price for this home is in USD $4,650,000. In Jamaican dollars, $745,884,645. In Canadian, $6,505,513. In euros, $4,004,162. And in British pounds, $3,481,409. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today's viewing is a little different than our usual property adventure. Today, we will be looking at developmental land in Jamaica, allowing you to build and create anything you would like on the land that you own. So without further ado, let's get right into the show. This beautiful untapped land here in Jacks Road Hill in St. Andrews, Kingston, Jamaica, offers a beautiful scenic view of the town and of the land below. Sitting upon a breathtaking panoramic hill point and offering over 15 acres of untampered land, this beautiful area is truly a rare catch. The selling price in USD is $6 million US dollars. In JMD, the selling price is 962,223,000 JMD. In Canadian dollars, the selling price is $8,392,710. In euros, $5,151,780. And in British pounds, $4,499,040. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we will be taking a look at some of the freshest and most beautiful land in the Bahamas. This amazing 15-acre undeveloped beachfront land on Fortune Beach in the Grand Bahamas offers prime access to white sandy beaches, clear blue ocean water, and undisturbed tranquility in every inch of its land. Now, let's take a look and explore our new home.
All I wanna
The purchasing price for this land in USD is $5,500,000. In JMD, $882,335,850. In Bohemian dollars, $5,503,751 Bohemian dollars. In Canadian, $7,670,245. In euros, 4,720,100. In Great British pounds, 4,143,425. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.